cover this up with one more dough right here. We're gonna roll over it. Right now we're just gonna send this baby to the oven. Let's flip that in on all the edges. There we go, look at that. Now we're taking this baby to the oven. So both rolls in one. Let's stick around because this is only the beginning. Wait till you see what we got next. All right, check out this beautiful pie though. We're gonna move over here. Christmas tree on our mint, chocolate mint ice cream. We're gonna turn it into peppermint in just a second. Now we got some vanilla, delicious. I'm not gonna tell you what kind it is, but that's good. Here we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut that real quick. Let's get that out of the way, just like that. Now we're gonna grab it, bring our reindeer with us. There we go. Right this way. I'm gonna place it in its place, just like that, and drop the ice cream in. There we go. Just push down with a little spoon, and we're gonna put it right there. Goes. And we're going to remove the cookie cutter. So, let's push it in. Like this. Smooth. Now we're going to go ahead and grab his nose. Place it right there. A couple of little eyes. Oh boy. Let's move on. Got our tree. And cut that part out just like we did for the vanilla. Here again we have chocolate mint. And we're about to make it chocolate peppermint. Check it out. Bring this over. Scrape off those edges and on to here. Ooh, let's go ahead and drop it in. Place it where it goes. Oh, extra. Well, there it goes. Just push it in. Edges. There we go. Now I said peppermint. Check it out. We crushed one of these bad boys up. I'm gonna drop it on, just like this, here and there. That's about enough, and we come through with some red cherry sauce. Get our nice little ornaments on there. Now some more of this red cherry sauce coming your way. And then it goes. Oh boy, that looks so good. There we go. Let's finish it off. Put some details on there with some vanilla ice cream. Just like this. Last one. Now let's come over here. And let's pick up the red cherry sauce again. Come right over here to our candy cane. Make a few stripes. Like that. Apple pie and cherry pie all in one. What can be better? Let's place some cherries, red cherries right on here. There we go. And we come through with some icing. Just like that. Nice little dot. And we move over this way. There we go. A couple candy canes. Come through with some berries. Just like this. Go ahead and put them on there. Great. One more here and one more right there. Let's put some mints on there. Grab the rest. So freshness with the mints, guys. Beautiful color. We're gonna finish it off. We're gonna let it snow. Just like that, guys. Enjoy this recipe. 2 pies in one. Time saver. And the flavors are on point. Enjoy. Have a very Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Alright, let's try some of this apple. Right there. Nice crispy crust. Let's get a piece right there. Alright, let's check it out. Little piece of this apple pie for your eyes. There we go. Oh baby, check that out.